introduce it to you. 3-layer IBC plus upper rotary traction, blown film machine. Dye adopts IBC system. Through internal coolant technology, it can control the cooling process of the film and improve the transparency of the film. 4-zone automatic heating of the barrel. Automatic air rings, rapid cooling of blown, formed film bubbles, maintain stability for bubbles, a clearer, more uniform membrane. At the same time, it is equipped with 3 ultrasonic inspection probes to control the width of the film. Automatic thickness gauge, real-time monitoring. The automatic air ring is equipped with a film thickness gauge. It can greatly improve the uniformity of the film. Control the quality of your products. Frame type electrically adjustable. Foam stabilizer. Damage to the film can be reduced. Rotational traction can evenly pull the film. Reduces local uneven stretching. This improves the flatness of the film. It avoids product defects in ordinary rotary dies. Equipped with 2 sets of side sectioning devices, 3 sets of cold cutting devices. According to the product specifications, the film is slitted into multiplices, diaphragms online. The winding is 3-type winding. It has automatic film cutting and automatic roll changing, automatic unwinding, automotive, length counting, and other functions.